Electronic waste, e-waste, has become a significant global concern due to the rapid pace of technological advancement and the short lifespan of electronic devices. Our company provides the complete e-waste PCB recycling solutions, and our machines have been exported to numerous countries worldwide. Today, we showcase the PCB recycling system at our client's site in Qatar. This esteemed client has embraced our complete PCB recycling solution, highlighting the seamless integration of our technology into their operations. Component dismantling. Our skilled technicians at the Qatar facility employ the machine to expertly dismantle electronic components from discarded circuit boards. This step is pivotal in unlocking the intrinsic value of these components, particularly the recovery of precious metals such as gold and silver. Motherboard crushing and sorting. Following the precision of component dismantling, the journey of the circuit boards continues with the crushing and sorting of motherboards. At this stage, our advanced technologies, including density sorting and electrostatic separation, come into play, efficiently separating the motherboards into metal copper and non-metal fiber powder. Further processing of metal copper. The metal copper extracted from this process is a valuable commodity. At our Qatar client's facility, this metal copper is destined for further refining, potentially through processes like copper electrolysis. The result is high-purity cathode copper, ready to be utilized in various industrial applications. Value extraction from dismantled components. Simultaneously, the dismantled electronic components undergo a meticulous screening process at our client's facility. This process ensures the isolation of valuable portions for subsequent refining, specifically targeting the extraction of precious metals. This strategic approach aligns with the economic sustainability of electronic waste recycling. The Qatar client's adoption of our complete circuit board recycling solution underscores the economic benefits of our approach. Beyond resource recovery and environmental impact reduction, this integrated system generates revenue through the sale of recovered materials like refined copper and precious metals. The showcase process not only aligns with the principles of environmental sustainability but also underscores the economic viability of responsible electronic waste recycling. If you are interested in e-waste PCB recycling, please feel free to inquire us for details.